Hey investors, it's Stuart Kruse, Kruse Asset Management, and here I am on T-shirt week. I'm in a cabin in Tennessee trying to do social distancing, and we are distant from anything social around here. And as I mentioned, it's T-shirt week, and I'll reveal what my T-shirt says in a few minutes, but I'm just going to walk around some areas out here. So, just today, I've heard phrases like, we're hoping to open the government or open the economy back up by the end of May, or at least get things started by the end of May. So that means June. We're hoping to send kids back to school by the fall. We're hoping, or we might have shelter in place through August, or we are trying to get these things done. Bill Gates said, hey, when the government says we're all clear, you don't think the economy is just going to ramp back up again because people have taken on psychological damage from this shutdown, and it's going to be super difficult for people to get back to work. So the economy is just probably not going to ramp back up again like people have said. And so all this leads to an economic problem in the future. And the Fed just threw another $2.3 trillion. That's over $12 trillion now that the Fed is throwing at this problem. But just like last time when they threw a bunch of money at it, the market took off and then ultimately succumbed to market realities. And right now, the multiples on the market, since we've rallied 30% off the lows, are pretty high. And that's even indicating if the market were to just return back to some amazing level, which nobody is really saying it's going to happen except for maybe the government. The presidency right now is saying there's going to be an economic boom like we've never seen before. But that's just not what's in the numbers right now. So we don't believe that's what you should be looking for. And that kind of brings us to our T-shirt, no more dad jokes. Hopefully you can see this. It says, that's a bad sign. And that's what I think this all is a bad sign. The market didn't rally more than a couple hundred points on a $2.3 trillion stimulus package. So that's a bad sign. It's a bad sign that earlier in the week the market lost an 800-point rally and actually finished down. It's a bad sign that this rally is the best rally we've had since 1938. Normally we don't have short-term rallies like this speed unless it's in the midst of a long-term decline, and that's what history would suggest. So if you haven't sold now, maybe now is a good time to sell. That said, there are ways you can invest in the stock market without taking on any risk. And if you want to find out more, I put a link in below to an ebook that I've created to show you how you can actually invest in the stock market without taking on any risk. That's right, no risk and all the upside return. Now, there are some caveats associated with this, but if you would like an investment profile where you have no risk and all the upside, go ahead and read that ebook, and we'll show you how to do it here at Kruse Asset Management. And like always, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel or like our Facebook page. Thanks so much, and be on the lookout for the next installment of T-shirt week at Kruse Asset Management.